The BMW X5 is known for its luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology, making it a popular choice among SUV enthusiasts. However, a growing number of owners have reported concerning brake issues that have raised eyebrows in the automotive community. These problems not only affect the driving experience, but also pose serious safety risks. So, what exactly is going wrong with the brakes on the X5? In this video, we'll explore the top 10 reasons why BMW X5 owners are experiencing so many brake issues, providing insights and potential solutions. Stay tuned as we uncover the truth behind these alarming reports. 10. Brake wear and tear. At number 10, we start with the natural wear and tear associated with brakes. Like any vehicle, the BMW X5's brakes are subject to wear over time. Factors such as driving habits, terrain, and frequency of use can all affect brake life. However, some X5 owners have reported that their brakes seem to wear out more quickly than expected. Many drivers have found themselves needing to replace their brake pads and rotors much sooner than the industry standard. This increased wear can be attributed to the SUV's weight and performance capabilities, leading to additional strain on the braking system. Regular maintenance is essential for any vehicle, and the X5 is no exception. Many owners have noted that adhering to BMW's recommended service intervals for brake inspections and replacements can significantly enhance brake longevity. However, despite diligent maintenance, some owners still face issues, indicating that there may be deeper underlying causes for accelerated wear. 9. Heavy vehicle weight. Coming in at number 9 is the X5's heavy vehicle weight. The BMW X5 is a mid-size luxury SUV that comes equipped with powerful engines, resulting in a significant overall weight. This added weight places extra demands on the braking system, requiring more force to bring the vehicle to a complete stop. Some owners have noted that this increased weight can lead to overheating of the brake components, particularly during hard braking situations or when towing. As a result, this can contribute to premature wear and diminished braking performance, causing concerns among drivers. This can lead to a situation where the brakes are not only working harder, but also generating more heat, which can cause brake fade. 8. Performance brake system. At number 8, we have the performance brake system designed for the BMW X5. While many drivers appreciate the high-performance capabilities of their X5, some have experienced issues with the brake system designed to handle such performance. In particular, the high-performance brake pads and rotors may not be ideal for everyday driving conditions. They are engineered to withstand intense heat generated during aggressive driving, but may wear out more quickly under regular use. The performance-oriented components can be a double-edged sword. While they provide excellent stopping power during spirited driving or high-speed maneuvers, they may not be suited for more casual driving conditions. 7. Brake dust buildup. Coming in at number 7 is brake dust buildup, a common issue that many BMW X5 owners encounter. Performance brake pads tend to produce more brake dust than standard ones, which can accumulate on the wheels and brake components over time. This buildup can cause a few different issues. First, it can lead to reduced braking performance if the dust interferes with the brake pads and rotors. Second, it can be unsightly, making the vehicle look dirty and poorly maintained. To combat brake dust buildup, some owners take preventive measures such as regular cleaning of the wheels and brake components. 6. Software and electronic issues. At number 6, we explore the software and electronic issues that can impact the braking system of the BMW X5. Modern vehicles, including the X5, rely heavily on sophisticated software and electronic systems to manage various functions, including brakes. Some owners have reported issues where the brake system's electronic control module, ECM, can fail, leading to erratic behavior or warning lights illuminating on the dashboard. These software glitches can sometimes manifest as false alarms, indicating a brake issue when none exists, or they may affect the brake assist functionality. Regular updates from BMW may address some of these software-related problems, so staying informed about service bulletins and updates is crucial for X5 owners. However, if electronic components fail, it may require a visit to a dealership or certified technician to diagnose and rectify the problem, leading to potential downtime and additional costs for the owner. 5. Brake fluid quality. At number 5, we discuss the importance of brake fluid quality in maintaining effective braking performance. Brake fluid can absorb moisture over time, leading to decreased effectiveness and a lower boiling point. In the BMW X5, this can result in spongy brake pedal feel or diminished stopping power, especially under heavy braking conditions. Regularly checking and replacing brake fluid is essential for maintaining brake performance. Many drivers may not realize the importance of this maintenance task, leading to potential brake issues down the line. It is recommended to change the brake fluid every 2 years, regardless of mileage, to ensure optimal braking performance and safety. Investing in high-quality brake fluid can also enhance the overall braking experience, providing peace of mind for drivers. 4. Faulty brake components. Coming in at number 4 is the issue of faulty brake components. While BMW is known for its quality engineering, no manufacturer is immune to defects. Some X5 owners have reported issues with brake components, such as calipers, brake pads, or rotors failing prematurely. When brake components fail, it can lead to a complete loss of braking power or uneven braking, making the vehicle difficult to control. Owners experiencing these problems should seek professional assistance immediately to diagnose and address the issue. While warranties may cover some repairs, ongoing issues can lead to frustration and concern for drivers who rely on their X5 for daily transportation. Regular inspections and maintenance can help catch these issues early, but being aware of potential faults is essential for X5 owners. 3. Unsuitable driving conditions. At number 3, we must consider unsuitable driving conditions that can exacerbate brake issues. The BMW X5 is designed for performance and luxury, but factors such as heavy traffic, steep hills, or inclement weather can place additional stress on the braking system. In stop-and-go traffic, for example, drivers may find themselves applying the brakes frequently, leading to accelerated wear and tear. Similarly, driving in hilly areas requires constant braking, which can lead to overheating and reduced braking performance. Owners should adjust their driving habits to accommodate these conditions and avoid putting unnecessary strain on the brakes. Educating drivers about how different driving environments can impact brake performance is vital for maintaining the integrity of the braking system. 2. Lack of routine maintenance. Coming in at number 2, we address the lack of routine maintenance that can lead to brake issues. Like any vehicle, the BMW X5 requires regular maintenance to ensure all systems are functioning optimally, including the braking system. Some owners may overlook the importance of scheduled brake inspections, which can result in undetected problems escalating into significant safety concerns. Regular brake checks, including inspecting pads, rotors, and fluid levels, can help catch issues before they become serious. BMW owners should follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule and seek professional help at the first sign of brake trouble. Neglecting routine maintenance can lead to more severe issues down the line, potentially jeopardizing the safety of the driver and passengers. 1. Consumer awareness and reporting. Finally, at number 1, we must discuss consumer awareness and the importance of reporting brake issues. Social media and online forums have become platforms for X5 owners to share their experiences and concerns about brake problems. This increased visibility can prompt BMW to investigate widespread issues and potentially lead to recalls or repairs. For owners experiencing brake issues, sharing their experiences can foster community support and lead to solutions, whether through online forums, social media groups, or direct contact with BMW. Consumers have a voice that can contribute to awareness of common problems. Reporting issues not only helps other owners make informed decisions, but can also encourage manufacturers to address potential defects in their vehicles. The BMW X5 remains a popular choice among luxury SUV enthusiasts, but the reported brake issues cannot be ignored. From brake wear and tear to electronic glitches, there are multiple factors contributing to these problems. Understanding the causes of these issues is vital for owners to maintain their vehicles effectively. By staying informed, performing routine maintenance, and participating in community discussions, X5 owners can enhance their driving experience and safety. If you found this discussion insightful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth automotive analyses. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.